Hello everybody, what's going on? In this class I'm just thinking to teach you to create a complete web page, a complete landing page, just like a builder's landing page. Okay, means where I'll just place a lot of building images here. If I just go to the Bootstrap and in images, there are the builder's images. You can see the building images, basically a portfolio type website for builders. So you can see that a lot of images here. I'm gonna use all that images, around 6 or 7 images are there. Exactly, the 6 items, the 6 images are there. I'm gonna use in a project. So first of all, I'm just going to the notepad and basically I'm just creating some main things like the container, class, container, okay, and I'm going inside of it. And the second thing is I'm not gonna create the container as simple one. I'm just creating a float container, but before that I'm just creating the navigation too, which is more important than the container. Well, not the more important, but it's exactly very important, by the way. So let us start working on the navigation for now. First of all, we need to choose the design, add in a space, but I'm not gonna apply the design which is Bootstrap is giving us. I'll just make the custom design. So the class, and then here the nav bar. Okay, adding any space and nav bar. Right now I'm just applying the inverse design, but exactly after completion of the navigation bar I'll just create my own. So the inverse, and I'm just going inside, and then inside this I'm gonna create the container float, the class necessary, the container float. Okay, and going inside of it, the div class header, oh sorry, not the header only, the nav bar header, and I'm going inside the nav bar header, and here the a class, cover this one, and then here the, oh man, there I should not apply the class directly, I should apply the hyperreference. So here for now, yeah, the class is necessary too, the nav bar brand, and the website name. I'm just typing the builder just only. Save and go down. Just after the header of the nav bar, I'm just calling the UL for the navigation bar, and the class I should apply the nav bar nav. Okay, I'm just going inside, and oh man, come on, yes, the li, and there the a tag and hyperreference, and cover this up and go inside of it. And then we can apply the home, the software again. Oh man, when I'm just making the builders software, then I should not use the home and software, by the way. The gallery, and then the about us, whatever you want to put, you can put there, the contact us. Okay, awesome. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. Is it there? The builder, home, gallery, about us, and contact us. Okay, fine. Something more you need? No, but right now I'm just gonna apply the nav bar, right, and saving and going to the browser back and refreshing. Looking awesome. I'm going back to the notepad, and just after this nav bar we can apply a lot of things, but the main thing I'm applying here, the nav bar, come on, nav bar fixed top. I just want to fix this nav bar at the top and refresh. Now I'm going back to the notepad, and basically for now I just need to create here, close that one and go there and go back there. Now basically I just need to create here in a style.css file, because I just want to make some customization in it. So let's just create a new file, and I'm just going in a CSS and just saving the file as the style.css and save this. Now what I'm just gonna do here is the index.html. I just want to attach the file first, the style.css, so simply duplicate that one and the file name, the style.css, and because they both files, the bootstrap and the style.css in the same folder, the css, so no problem, it's okay. Go to the style.css, and first of all, going back to the index.html and removing this navbar inverse and saving and going back to the browser and refreshing. Now you can see that no style is there, this is just totally blank. So the navbar custom, this is what I'm just gonna call or create in the style.css. so navbar custom. Okay, but nothing here. I just want to apply nothing here, just leave that as it is, because I'm just thinking to place the image at the back of this navigation. So I'll just put some more things there, but for now I just need to add some effects on these elements. So exactly, I'm going back and going down and just directly calling the navbar. Where is the navbar? This navbar. Okay, I'm just calling the navbar and dot navbar and the A in a navbar. Okay, and what I'm just applying here, I'm applying some color. I'm just applying the green color for now. I just want to show you that it works or no. Refresh now. You can see that all these things are became green. That means it's working. Yeah. So guys, what I'm just gonna do more, just going to the index.html, and there after the navigation I'm just putting the header. Okay, and now I'm just going there, or instead of going there, just directly going to the style.css, and I just want to apply some image to the header. So which image I'm just gonna apply? Before that, I'm just gonna put something like the width. I'm not giving the width here, I'm just giving the height only to that header, because the header is not the bootstrap element, the by default element. So I'm giving the height here around 450 px for now. I'll update that, sure. And then a background color for now. I'm applying the orange as background color to just check and save and go to the browser and refresh. There is the beautiful view. Basically you can see that I just removed what I just removed there. I just removed the navbar inverse and I just put it the navbar fixed top. That's why it's became absolute. So you can see that the element, the navbar, the header is at the back of this element. Now if I just put the image on the header, and then I'm gonna apply the image on the header. So here I'm just coming and the style equal to, and then the background. Okay, I'm applying the image of the header here, not in the CSS style.css, by the way. And then the URL, put the value, the images in the images folder. There is the image. If I just go, you can see that the image 6, image 5, whatever. So the images, and then the builders, the folder name is builders, where I just placed all the images, and the img6.jpg. okay, now save and go to the browser and refresh. You can see the image here looking great, but exactly these things are not looking so perfect. So what I just need to do, I just need to go back to the notepad, and here the color should be white. I'm just gonna apply and see the result. Yeah, they're looking pretty awesome for now, but you can still have the opportunity to do a lot of things. For example, the font weight bold, save and go to the browser and refresh. Now the font weight is bold. The other thing is, you can see that when I just hover the mouse, I'm just watching a silver color, the white gray color at the back, which is not looking really cool. So I can add the background color too. So the background not there when I just hover the mouse. So navbar a hover. Okay, the background. Well, yes, first of all we have to call the li, which is because the a is not in the custom or in the navbar, but it's first on a li. And why not I just directly call this nav instead of the navbar? So here I'm just directly calling the nav and the li, and inside the li there is an a and the hover of the a. So now refresh, and now you can see that the color looking awesome. But if I just apply the black color, the background should be black for now. Black, and save and refresh. Now let's just see, is it looking cool or no? If it's looking perfect, then no problem, just apply this and go down to do some more things. So for now I'm just going back, and here in the index.html, this is the header. I'm just going inside the header and putting something like the div first. And did you remember that the text center, okay, the text center, so I'm just putting some values inside the text center. And what I'm just putting here, something like the h1, and just putting inside the h1 that the builders. Now going down, and the other thing is the p tag, and let's suppose build what you want. Go to the browser and refresh. Did you see that? Looking great, but actually the place is not right, and exactly some more things. So first of all, I'm just adjusting the place of them and the color too. So the background color should be, the color should be white, and I'm just gonna add the padding here, and I'm adding the 150 pixels padding from the top and bottom, and 0 from left and right. So save and refresh. Yeah, you can see the element here and looking awesome, actually great. And if you just want to apply some more things, you can apply there too, no issue at all. Going back to the notepad, or actually the index.html class, I think that the header is almost completed. Header in the navigation, I should go to the container fluid, but before going there, I think that I should apply header. Inside the header, the h1 which is inside the header, that font size should be increased around the 50px. Just checking, okay, not sure about the result. Refresh. Yeah, size is looking awesome. And the header p tag too, the p tag, and what I'm just applying here to the p tag, the font size around 20px, and save and refresh. Yeah, that is looking awesome too. But the other thing is the text shadow, and I'm just applying the 0, 0 and 5px, the black color for the shadow. Refresh. It's looking awesome, but not too much. So I think that 2 px